TOSHULIN is a traditional Czech company well known for its rich and long experience in the engineering industry. It's a leading manufacturer of top-quality machine tools and vertical lathes in the world. Thanks to the variability of our company, our products find application in the most demanding branches of the engineering industry, such as aviation, power generation, transport, mining and petrochemical industry. The company's rich and long manufacturing experience dates back to 1949. Our know-how is based on a long-term tradition, and it has contributed to the development and manufacture of many innovative machines. However, we don't relax our efforts and keep developing new machinery. Our innovative and tailor-made approach has been of key importance for us up to now, and each customer can always get the required technical and technological solution at the highest quality level. Our strong designing team provides constant technological development and application of new findings. As a result, we are able to meet even the most demanding requirements of our customers. We have top manufacturing equipment available, and we apply the latest production processes. Particular parts pass through checks guaranteeing that the final machine will stand the test of subsequent challenging and complex industrial applications. Our machinery is equipped with top-quality electronic components which, together with high-precision mechanical parts, guarantee high performance and reliability. High-skilled and experienced staff is involved in all stages of manufacturing and assembly. Each finished machine undergoes exacting measurements and tests. Accuracy, quality and variability are the salient features of our products. Our product model Basic Turn represents a high-quality technological, cost-effective solution for efficient machining of a broad range of workpieces. The traditional product model Power Turn is specified for demanding technological applications with high accuracy. Comprehensive machining without compromises. That is our product model Expert Turn, well known for its unique technological solution, tailor-made to suit the customer's specific requirements. The product model Force Turn is primarily designed for high-efficient machining of large workpieces. We have been carefully and patiently building our trademark on a long-term basis. As a result, our trademark is associated on the world market with quality, technologically demanding solutions, innovations and full-range service. We provide warranty and post-warranty servicing, training of operation and maintenance staff, remote diagnostics and other services. Since the company's establishment, we have delivered more than 13,500 machine tools to more than 60 countries in the world, especially thanks to our well-selected business and manufacturing strategy. A part of our profits goes regularly to charity and sponsorship. In a long-term perspective, the knowledge of helping those who need help is as satisfying as our good economic results. Tradition, accuracy, reliability, TOSHULIN.